Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on a very important and interesting topic, my first day at school. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Dear audience, what was your favorite moment from the first day of your school? Let us know in the comment section below. Now, let's get started with the video. I will always cherish the memories of my first day at school. Although I was a bit nervous, the excitement outweighed it. My father made sure that my clothes were neatly pressed and that I wore my brand new shoes. To top it off, my school bag was filled with books, pencils, and even a well-prepared lunch. When we reached the school, everything looked new and big to me. My father took my hand and guided me to my classroom. I was greeted by my teacher who welcomed me with a warm smile and asked me to sit on a chair. There were a lot of children present in class. Some crying while others were talking and laughing. After a while, my father left. The teacher introduced herself and began with self-introductions. The teacher urged us to introduce ourselves to the class. And I eagerly stood up to say my name. Before I knew it, I had plenty of friends. We had a great time playing with the toys while singing various rhymes. To make things better, our teacher read us a story. And her calm and friendly demeanor made me really happy. During lunch break, I had some new friends and I shared my food with them. We clicked right away and talked about our favorite cartoons. After lunch, we had a drawing lesson. And I had a blast coloring different images using crayons. At last, it was time to go home when the school bell rang. My father was at the school to pick me up. I shared the details of my day with him. The first day at school taught me that school is a wonderful place. where one can learn different things and make good friends. It was also the start of beautiful learning journey ahead.